Welcome to the Future Bike Hub 09. Today, we are diving into one of the most popular and affordable electric cars in the world, the Nissan Leaf, a car that has changed how people think about driving, fuel, and the future of mobility. The Nissan Leaf is a fully electric vehicle, which means it runs completely on electricity instead of petrol or diesel. This makes it eco-friendly, quiet, and very efficient for daily use. Let's talk about its design first. The Nissan Leaf comes with a modern and sleek look. The front features a signature V-motion grille, sharp LED headlights, and a smooth aerodynamic shape that not only looks stylish but also improves efficiency. The car has a compact yet spacious body, making it perfect for both city driving and small families. Now moving to performance. The Nissan Leaf is powered by an electric motor that delivers instant torque. This means when you press the accelerator, the car responds immediately, smooth, silent, and quick. Depending on the model, it offers around 147 horsepower, while the higher variant, Leaf Plus, can go up to around 214 horsepower. One of the most important things in an electric car is battery and range. The standard Nissan Leaf comes with a 40 kilowatt-hour battery, giving a range of approximately 240 kilometers on a single charge. The Leaf Plus variant has a bigger 62 kilowatt-hour battery, offering a range of up to 360 kilometers, depending on driving conditions. Charging is also very convenient. You can charge the Nissan Leaf at home using a standard charger or at fast charging stations. With fast charging, you can get up to 80% battery in around 40 to 60 minutes, which is very useful for long trips. Now let's talk about the interior. Inside, the Nissan Leaf offers a comfortable and modern cabin. It comes with a digital display, touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The seats are armdayak, comfortable, and there is enough legroom for passengers. Safety is also a strong point. The Nissan Leaf includes advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and Nissan's ProPilot Assist, which helps in semi-autonomous driving on highways. Another amazing feature is e-pedal technology. With e-pedal, you can accelerate and brake using just one pedal. When you release the accelerator, the car automatically slows down, making driving easier and more efficient. In terms of cost, the Nissan Leaf is considered one of the most affordable electric cars globally, especially when compared to other EVs. Plus, you save money on fuel and maintenance in the long run. So overall, the Nissan Leaf is a perfect choice for those who want to switch to electric driving without spending too much money. It is reliable, efficient, eco-friendly, and packed with modern features. The future is electric, and the Nissan Leaf is leading the way.